Hey guys, so today I'm doing a review on the Carrie Diaries by this person. It's a prequel to Sex and the City, and it was very exciting to read this. I actually read this in like 24 hours. I just read it in 24 hours. It was really quick, and it was really thick. I went through it really quick. So yeah, it was interesting. I liked it, but I don't like it as much as the show. There were characters in here that weren't in the show, and it is basically about Carrie Bradshaw before she goes to the city and stuff. And this is a lot different from the TV show, where she is in the city a lot. She's interning, blah blah blah. She doesn't do that in this book. She actually isn't interning. She is in the city. We do meet Sebastian, who's Kid, Sebastian Kid. We do meet a lot of characters that we meet in the show, but they're not the same as on the show. And I was really excited about this because I like the show so much, but it's not as good as the show. But it was really quick. It was one of those Gossip Girl style books. Well, it wasn't. Okay, if you're a Gossip Girl, this format's really different. But it was one of those books that are really quick. Like, it's just, I could totally read this in the summer and it'll be really quick. But I don't know. I don't know if I'm going to be picking up the second book in this. It's a duology. It's this, and then is Summer in the City, which is actually placed in the city, and apparently Miranda and Samantha is going to be in that book. I don't know. I just picked it up because it was at my library, and I really wanted to read it for a long time, so that probably is why I finished it so quickly, because I really wanted to read it for such a long time. But yeah, her father is a lot different. She has an extra sister. It was really different, and I did like it because I like books that are parallel from the shows and stuff. But in a sense, it was a little bit too parallel. Just in a small sense, it was just a little too parallel for me. But I did like it. I don't know how much I gave it on Goodreads, but I probably did give it a good grade, because if I didn't watch the show first, I would probably like this. It's just because I have seen the show, and I've seen 2 seasons of the show, and I absolutely adore the show. It isn't as good. You guys get that? I don't know. If you guys get it, tell me. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.